today. So ito, ano lang, quick review ko no food vlog. Biglaan lang kami pumunta dito ngayon sa may Sterino Farms. And meron sila ditong food truck which is called Jake's Burger. So nakakain na kami dito dati at nagustuhan ko yung burger. So ito is parang check natin kung same pa rin yung lasa ng burger nila. Ang in-order nga pala namin is yung Jake's Deluxe Burger. Pakita ko na lang kung ano yung included dun sa may burger na yun. Tapos small fry and small drink. Yan. Maya-maya muna kakain na konti kasi inintay ko pa si Mrs. Kukuha muna ng kamatis na plant para itanim sa backyard. While waiting kay Mommy J at Little J. Sige, try ko naman na itong fries nila. Golden brown, crispy yung outside. Saktong amount ng salt within the fry. Malaki siyang cut. Try na natin to again for the second time. Okay yung fries, crispy, tapos saktong amount nga ng salt. Tapos mukhang fresh na fresh kasi farm nga sila dito, Sterino Farm. So I'm not sure if it's coming from their farm. Next is yung burger. Okay, first bite. Okay yung mayo, manamis-namis. Meron silang lettuce, tomato, fresh onions. Then, nilagyan ko ng ketchup. May pickles din pala sa loob. Yung mayonnaise niya is hindi katulad nung sa may Jollibee. Pero masarap yung mayonnaise. Okay yung burger patty. Sakto yung pagkakaluto. Juicy. Crisp yung lettuce. Fresh na fresh. Yung tomato, fresh na fresh din. Overall, mataas yung score na ibibigay ko dito. Around 9 siya para sa akin. Masabi ko rin, okay din yung fresh onions na nilagay nila. Dagdadagdag siya ng texture. Basta nagkakaroon siya ng magandang crunch ang dating doon sa may pagkagat mo sa burger. Yung bread na ginamit nila, okay din. Tinoast naman nila. Pero still, malambot yung loob. Di ko alam kung brioche ba to or regular na burger bun lang. Pero good siya overall.
2,000 years later.
At ayun na nga. Hindi ko na naman natapos yung video dun sa may Jake's Burger. Kasi slightly nagmadali na naman kami. Bumili pa kami nung tomato plant at nag-check dun sa may market nila. Napabili kami ng lettuce pang sangyup. Ang closing thoughts ko na lang dun sa may burger na in-order namin. We find their burgers good and has high quality ingredients. The onions are fresh and crisp. The tomatoes are juicy, tangy, sweet, zesty, and refreshing. The pickles are sweet and tangy, and I think they use the Thousand Island dressing for the sauce. And lastly, the beef patty that has a good crust, juicy, savory, and tender with a good amount of seasoning. So I do recommend you trying their menu, especially the deluxe burger. I give them 2 thumbs up. And with that, dito ko natatapusin yung video. Peace.